64, you see that we have different types of abbreviations. They have them laid out in boxes where we have like titles, for example. Tell me, that first title there, it says for men, they do capital M-R dot. Now, what does the M-R stand for? Mr. Mr. I need you to remember that, okay? M-R stands for Mr., and we use it for men, don't we? Now, if you notice for women, we have two different ones. Why do we have two different ones? Because, okay, what is capital MS for? Or capital MRS for?
MRS is Mrs.
Which means you're what?
And plural.
No.
You're married.
You're married, thank you. And capital MS dot is going to be if you're not married, like Mrs. Smith. Then we have doctor, which is capital DR. She's not married. Then we have that next box, which is about addresses. Careful attention to street. Several people abbreviate street incorrectly. Street is simply a capital ST dot. Okay? Then we have avenue, capital AVE dot. Then we have boulevard, capital BLVD. Then we have capital LN dot. We have place, which is capital PL dot. And then drive is just like doctor. Doctor, yes, they're the exact same abbreviation. I want you to notice that all of these abbreviations start with a capital letter, and all except one rule breaker have a period. I want you to look carefully at the months of the year, and I want you to notice something. When you look at all of those months listed there and the abbreviations that they provided, all of the months have
3 letters except for
yes,
September.
very good job.
And maybe
3 letters except for September. September is made up of 4. And then we also notice that there's that rule breaker there, the only abbreviation that does not have a dot, which is May. Why would May not have a dot?
Because it's spelled correctly.
With 3 letters, isn't it? It's only 3 letters anyway. So there's no sense in abbreviating May because M-A would not make sense. And M-Y would be the word my, okay? Now then we finally look at the days of the week. And we notice that Mon is the abbreviation for Monday, Tues for Tuesday, but Wednesday is not wins. It's just the first syllable, Wednesdays, okay? It's when, W-E-D. And then we've got Thurs for Thursday. We've got Fry for Friday, Sat for Saturday, and Sun for Sunday. All right, I would like for you to carefully read Luke's birthday party invitation.
There's abbreviation.
There is an abbreviation. January. Please read the birthday party invitation. Prepare to use your strategies for us to answer number 1 together. All right, let's look at number 1 together. I like that they chose to say, choose the best way. So in other words, maybe some of the ways make sense, but they're not the best way, okay? They're asking us to look for the abbreviation for Saturday in October. Let's use our elimination strategy together. Tell me which answer you would eliminate, please. Jasmine.
Lowercase a.
You would abbreviate A? I mean, you would eliminate A? Okay, why would you eliminate A?
They're lowercase and it doesn't have an abbreviation.
Okay, so
it
there's
just
no
sounds
dots.
like sat.
Very good. And there's no capitalization because they are what? Saturday and October are what? What are they called?
Pronouns. I mean, not pronouns, proper.
Proper nouns, thank you. Could you slide over this way in case of that? All right, next, which can we eliminate?
C.
Why can we eliminate C?
Because it's not capitalized.
It is not capitalized. Very good.
And it has two periods.
It does have the periods, but it is not capitalized. So we're down to B and D. Elimination strategy, we're down to B and D. Which one is the best choice?
B.
Why?
Because it has a dot to make something.
Very good. They both have the abbreviation dots and they are capitalized. Look at 2. Once again, we're going to use our elimination strategy. Which one would you like to eliminate? Number 2, which one would you like to eliminate?
I would like to eliminate B.
B. Why?
Because it's not capital.
Very good, that'll work. It also does not have the dot. Yes.
I would like to eliminate C.
Why?
Because it's lowercase and it still has the abbreviation, but it has to be uppercase.
Yes, it has to be capitalized. So we're down to A and D. Which one is the correct answer?
D, because A doesn't have the abbreviation dot.
Very good job. Okay. Now your job, boys and girls, is if you will turn to page 66, you're going to read this friendly letter that was written by Susan to Elsa, and then you're going to answer questions 1 through 4 based on the abbreviations that we've been learning about. Please read carefully. Please make smart choices. I would love for you to join the Hundreds Club.